my son decided to tell everybody he knows that I am a dyslexic therapist. Let me explain. Hi everyone, I'm Simone Herring. I'm a mom to 3 beautiful boys, a teacher, and a literacy and dyslexia therapist. My boys took me on a journey of education, of reading, of literacy difficulties, and of dyslexia. And so I decided to host this show on High FM 101.9 called Out the Box, for minds that don't fit the mold and for hearts that keep striving. This is a show for parents and teachers and anyone navigating learning with their children. Together with professionals, we talk about the wins and the worries and those "is this normal" moments. We often doubt ourselves and whether learning comes easily to your child or it takes a little bit longer. We all need a space to talk about it. So join me every Wednesday at 11 o'clock on Out the Box